Revision is the exquisite pleasure in learning. It is all the more true for the civil services examination. To help the students in having a proper revision in order to attain success in the prelim of 2022, our faculty are conducting a workshop for giving a curtain raiser for the program. We aim to give you various tips, an analysis of the old questions, and what can be the trends for the upcoming exam. We will incorporate mind maps and basic facts and various other ways of learning in the last minute. And this definitely is going to help you in reaching that success in the examination. This is what is going to be our discussion on the 19th of February 2022 at 11 o'clock in Hyderabad at Ashok Nagar office in TargetIAS. Please visit us. Have a good time.